Hello, my name is Mitya, and you're watching a quick video recap of our most recent blog tutorial, in which I will demonstrate how to improve your kick drum with saturation. One of the most effective methods of processing the kick drum, in my opinion, is the use of saturation. Saturation, when used correctly, can bring many instruments to life, including the kick drum. Accordingly, I will show you how to improve your kick drum with the saturation in the next tutorial. To add saturation to the kick drum, I loaded Melda Productions M-Saturator MB plugin on a separate return track within SoundBridge DAW. Further, I set it to multiband mode and processed each of the 6 individual bands by increasing the amount of saturation for each of them. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.